Alright, so let's talk about the repeating DNA sequence. So DNA is composed of a series and blah blah blah, right? So the problem is you have to give in a string S. So this is represent DNA, so you have to return all the 10 letter sequence that occur more than once in the DNA string. So this is easy. So you are given the string S, right? And then you want to find out if there is a string, like the length of 10 is inside inside the string S. So which means you want to find out there's a duplicate substring inside the X. So the frequency should be 2 at least for the return value, right? So again, in this question, I can use the set to store every possible length of 10 into my set. So if this is length of 10, right, then I push it into the set, right? And again, so I'm going to do this again. I mean, just for example, and then push this to the set. And then again, something like this, right? And just push into the set. So when I push into the set, right, I can use the function method called contains. If I contain the string inside the set, then I know this is a duplicate, right? So I will just push that into the list, right? And then again, so if you push into the list, this is too early. This is because you probably will have the same substring inside the string S. So I will create another set. So I will create another set. I'm going to say set 2, right? And then later on, when I return, I just create a new array list, right? And then I will just append the set 2 into my array, right? So this is a solution. So it does look a little bit difficult, but I don't think it's difficult. So set those HashSet and pushing the string into the HashSet. And I'm gonna say sim and then new HashSet. I'm gonna go duplicate into my second set, right? So for in I equal to 0, I less than start length and I plus plus. This is the for loop, and also I need to create a string, and I'm going to say temp, and then string does s dot substring from I to I plus 10. So imagine I equal to 0, 0 to 10, right? So 0 to 9 are valid. The 10 index, you don't include the last index, right? So the 0 to 9 are the length of 10. And then you have to think about this. So if you at list position, right? Are you going to have a character charge right after your string? No. So we have to know where is the limit between beginning to the end. So probably right over here, right? Because I didn't count, right? So I need to make sure the limit for the substring, right? So probably right over here. I don't know, but you need to know the substring. So again, if you are not including the last one, so this is going to be say I plus 9. So if you don't believe it, then just draw on the paper. And again, so if I sim the string, I will add, right? So I will add no matter what into my sim, right? And then if I sim this string inside my set, I'm going to say duplicate.add 10. And then later on, I will just create another array list and then push my duplicate to my new array list. So I will convert the string input in the duplicate into the array list. So this is a solution. So here we go. So let me submit. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. This is a space, right? And it's going to be what? All of n times L, right? N represent what? The length of the string, and then L represent what? The length of the DNA, right? So it should be 10, right? So for the space is all of n times L. For the time, this is going to be exactly the same thing. This is going to be all of n, right? And this is going to be all of L, right? So it's going to be all of n times L. So this is my quick note for the time and space. and I will see you next time. Bye.